Hey, what's going on guys? Boost Auto here, and in this video we're going to show you how to install our cargo in reverse mod to your 2023 and newer Colorados and Canyons. Let's get into it. Before we get into the install, let me tell you a little bit more about our cargo in reverse mod. Now, typically how your cargo lights work is whenever you hit the cargo button, your cargo lights turn on. What our mod enables us to do is to trigger your cargo lights whenever you place your vehicle in reverse. This is great whenever you're backing up with stuff in your bed or when you're backing up with a trailer. So, great visibility, great product, easy install. Let's get into it. Before we hop on into the cab, let's go ahead and quickly disconnect our battery. So your battery is going to be located on the passenger side of your underhood, close to the firewall. Let's real quick disconnect our negative terminal. Go ahead and set that off to the side. Once the battery is disconnected, head on over to your driver's side of the vehicle. We're going to reach in under the dash on the driver's side, right by the kick panel. Once again, driver's side, under the dash, by the kick panel, right in here. Let's locate our LCM. So down below your kick panel, you're gonna disconnect this pink connector over here. To do that, simply pull down on the white latch and press in on the connector tab and pull down. Now these connectors on the Colorados and Canyons do have this shield over here. If yours does too, you can simply use a pick tool to take it off. You can see that with the connector latch at the top, if you swing it down to the bottom, you can use a pick tool to pry that out, and you can twist it to remove it. Now with the wires exposed, you're going to want to locate pin 8 first. Pin 8 with the connector tab pointing up is on the second row all the way to the right over here. Now this mod will enable all cargo lights present on your vehicle when in reverse. This includes your center high-mounted stop lamps, your bed cargo, and for those of you who have our Boost Auto tow mirrors installed, like on this truck, your mirror cargo lights will also be triggered by this mod when in reverse. Be sure to check out our tow mirrors if this interests you. Make sure the teeth are sitting on the wire before closing it down. Make sure you hear that click. Awesome. Next up, we're going to tap to pin 6. As you can see with the connector tab pointing up, pin 6 is going to be on the second row in the second slot. So this is our reverse wire. Let's go ahead and tap to this in the same way. Once again, you want to make sure you hear that T-tap click into place. Next up, we're going to grab our cargo in reverse module. As you can see, one end of the module has this blue ring on it. It's important that you connect the end with the blue ring to the correct pin. Let's go ahead and do that. So the spade connector with the blue ring is going to go on the reverse wire. That's at pin 6. So let's go ahead and do that first. Make sure that slides in all the way. And after that, the other one will connect to pin 8. And in the same way, make sure that slides in all the way. With your module installed, let's go ahead and connect our shield back onto the connector. And now with your shield back on, let's go ahead and reconnect the pink connector. Slide it in and press in the locking tab. With your Boost Auto mod now installed onto your vehicle, there's one last thing we need to do to complete this installation. Let's go ahead and reconnect our battery. Hey, thanks so much for choosing Boost Auto for your aftermarket accessory needs. To get the product featured in this video or to check out all of the other products we have to offer for your vehicle, head on over to boostauto.com. Again, that's boostauto.com for all of your aftermarket accessory needs. And with that, we'll catch you in the next one.